So I'm going to go over a couple of items that I use for my pretty much all of my garden and flowers around my house. This is from the company Garden Tech, and it's pretty much called Sevin spray, or it's been Sevin dust back in the day. I used to use a dust form of this, but these are the two I use. So you can see I have two different versions. This is the hand kind of operated one right here. There's an on and off, and there's a spray and kind of like a streak like that. Very easy to use. Make sure you shake it up. This is great for vegetables and flowers, roses, shrubs, and everything like that. And it works on, I get a lot of these little kind of like plant-eating worms that knock out a lot of my, like around my cabbage and all that. I use this one for my smaller garden, my little raised garden. That way I just spray it like that. Now when I want a broadcast spray, this one right here, I screw in the water hose and I use it. It's got an on and off up here. The active ingredient in both of them, I think, is cypermethrin, zeta-cypermethrin, and this is cyclohalothrin, I think is the difference, but the active ingredient is pretty much the same in each one of these. It's a pyrethrin-based product, and it works pretty much exactly the same. Insects, it protects 200 listed fruits and vegetables, and it's for residential outdoor use only. Same way with this one. This is for outdoor use only, and it works on a wide variety of insects, especially these type of hornworms and stink bugs, Japanese beetles, and cabbage loopers. The cabbage loopers are the ones I have the most problems with, and the small little aphids, it kind of wipes out all of those right here. I've been using this Sevin product for years now, and I've been a believer in it, and it works extremely well, and I recommend it to anyone that just has any type of garden, whether it's a flower garden or a vegetable garden like I do. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Garden Tech Insect Killer. See you all in the next video.